Photoswitch is a device designed to regulate the functioning of electrical equipment based on the ambient light level. During the night, it activates the lights, while during the daytime, it deactivates them. Typical applications of this technology include streetlights and fence lights. There are various electronic circuit designs available for light control. To illustrate this concept, let's create a light control circuit. In the experiment we're about to describe, we will employ an IC555 and utilize a program for simulation before conducting the actual experiment. We will use a Light Dependent Resistor, LDR, as our light sensor. The LDR's resistance decreases as the ambient light intensity increases. The LDR is connected to pin 4, also known as the reset pin of the IC555. When the light level decreases, the resistance of the LDR increases, causing the voltage at pin 4 to rise to approximately more than 0.7 volts. As a result, output pin 3 will be in a high state. Conversely, when the light intensity increases, the LDR's resistance decreases, and the voltage at pin 4 drops to approximately less than 0.7 volts, causing output pin 3 to be in a low state. In this circuit, LEDs are utilized to indicate the output status. Now, let's move on to a practical experiment using a breadboard. I hope you find this demonstration helpful. Please remember to like, follow, and hit the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos.